In this video, learn how to download Opera GX on your PC. Open your web browser and go to Google's homepage. In the search bar, type Opera GX download and press enter. You will see search results related to Opera GX downloads. Look for the official Opera GX website in the search results. Click on the link that leads to the official Opera GX website. In the Opera GX website, click on Download Opera GX button, and the Opera GX installer will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, click on Folder icon and double-click on it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Opera GX. Press and Install button. You might need to agree to the terms and conditions. Before the installation proceeds, press Accept button. After the installation is complete, you can launch Opera GX. Welcome to Opera GX. Customize your browsing experience in 4 simple steps. You can change everything later in the settings.